Welcome to Chris 2A Gear Reviews, and this is what y'all been waiting on. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point. Today we're going to be polishing the feed ramp and touching up on the chamber of the RUGER PC charger. These are the things that you'll need. I'm going to be using 91% rubbing alcohol to go ahead and kind of degrease and clean my area up. You'll need a few Q-tips to dip in the alcohol to get to the areas that you're going to need to clean. You're going to need some kind of Dremel or rotary tool. I did not have one. I went to Amazon and I purchased the Guy Nelson cordless rotary tool. This thing was only 15 dear bucks. Let me say that one more time so you'll catch it. This was only 15 dear bucks. So let's say if you want to get your RUGER charger, you want to polish up the feed ramp, but you don't have a rotary tool, for 15 dear bucks, you can get this one right here, and it got 5 speed settings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most of our work is going to be in between 2 and 3. Okay, also you'll need some kind of polish. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the Flitz polish. So, with that being said, it's time to get to work. Let me set it up and show you how we're going to polish everything up. Alright, first thing first, let's go ahead and clean everything up. Clear that feed ramp area. Want to degrease all that. Get up inside of the chamber. You take a look at that. Hit this one more time. Make sure you get that whole area clean. Okay, so we're done with that. I'm take my dry Q-tip. Got that area good and clean, squeaky clean. I can actually feel and hear the squeak as I'm drying it off. Okay, so what we're gonna do is let that sit for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. We'll pause the video, let that get fully dry, because as y'all know, rubbing alcohol, that kind of evaporates and dry real quick. Just want to make sure that area is 100% completely dry before we get to the polishing. Alright, that area has dried. It's time to get to work. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take some of the fits, shake it up, and I'm going to apply it directly to my polishing wheel. Get some of that around there. Okay. So, alright. Let's start off slow. Get a little bit more of that fits on there. Mm-hmm. 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 Much more smoother, yes. Mm-hmm. Much more smoother. I think that's it. I think I'm done with that. Most important thing is you ain't trying to get crazy with it. You just want to smooth it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and hit that inside chamber portion just a little bit. When I say just a little bit, I mean just a little bit. Hit it real quick, fast, in a hurry, just to kind of get everything smooth in there. I ain't gonna hit it as much as I was hitting it with the outside, with the feed ramp. So we just wanna get up in there, just a little something. Just wanna hit just a little bit. Mm-hmm. Go just a little bit more deep up in that thing. That's it. Just want to hit that just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. Just want to hit it just a little bit. Let me take this. Oh yeah, I can feel that smooth. That did just enough of what I needed it to do. Just to smooth that up just a little bit. We ain't trying to get crazy up in there. We ain't trying to get crazy or do anything too crazy up in there. I can't stick my finger or anything in there, but I can take this cotton swab and I can just feel how it's smooth just kind of going around there. As you can see as I'm going around there, it's smooth. So that's all you want to do is just smooth things up a little bit. Mm-hmm. Because I was going so slow using the polishing wheel, you ain't got to worry about taking no material off or nothing crazy like that. Changing up the geometry or anything like that. That's it. That's smooth right there. If I was to do anything to that area, I can just take some of this fits right here, a little piece of cloth, and just hand polish it if I want to do anything else. Now I'm going to clean the whole barrel, so don't worry about that little bit that just leaked up in there. Matter of fact, it might be good just to take some of that and just run that up in there too. Why not? Just run it up in there. I'm going to get me another cotton swab. I pause the video. Alright, I'm going to grab me a couple of cotton swabs, dry cotton swabs. Take them up in there. Just kind of run that around in there. Look at all that. See that discoloration on there? Getting that thing clean. Now I got a boa snake for this and everything, so I'm gonna clean this all up and everything like that. Just want to take that cotton swab. Let me see if I cut the camera off, you can see a little bit better. Nice and smooth. And that's it right there. Polishing the feed ramp and touching up the chamber of the RUGER PC charger. We will be having a rains day on Saturday, and we'll see what happens on Saturday.